students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the ninth question in exercise 7.7. Let's look at the first subdivision. It's given as integral of root of 5 minus 2x plus x squared. I'm just going to first reorganize what is inside the root like this. So this is root of x squared minus 2x plus 5 dx. So I'm going to finish this as a perfect square. So we know that x square minus 2x means I need a plus 1 to be a perfect square. So I'm going to break this 5 as 1 plus 4. So this becomes integral root of x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 now dx. So I can replace this x square minus 2x plus 1 as x minus 1 the whole square. So integral of x minus 1 the whole squared plus 4 can be written as 2 squared dx. Now this is of the form root of x squared plus a squared. So we can directly apply in the formula. So let's write the formula for our reference. It is x by 2 root of x squared plus a squared plus a squared by 2 log of x plus root of x squared plus a squared plus c. So I'm going to substitute in this formula what is required. So wherever there is x, I'm going to replace it with x minus 1. So x minus 1 by 2 root of x square plus a square will be nothing but what is given in the original expression. So I can directly write that again because that is what we have split and rearranged. So this will be x square minus 2x plus 5 plus a squared. A is 2, a squared is 4. So 4 by 2 log of x in this case is x minus 1 plus root of x square minus 2x plus 5 plus c. Now this 4 by 2 I can rearrange and write it as 2. So this is x minus 1 by 2 root of x squared minus 2x plus 5 plus 2 into log of x minus 1 plus root of x squared minus 2x plus 5 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. Like in the first subdivision, I'm going to rearrange this integral as integral root of 4x squared minus 4x plus 10 dx. Now I'm going to take 4 outside in every term. So this will be integral root of 4 into x squared minus x plus 10 by 4 dx. So now I'm going to take the 4 outside the root, and since it will be 2 and a constant, I'm taking it directly out. So this is 2 into integral of root of x squared minus x plus 10 by 4 can be simplified as 5 by 2 dx. Now I'm going to close the perfect square. So first let's compute x squared into minus 2 into x into 1 by 2 will get me a minus x here. So b in this case is going to be 1 by 2, which means b squared will be 1 by 4. So I'm going to put this as 2 into integral of root of x squared minus x plus 1 by 4, then plus 5 by 4 minus, 5 by 2 minus 1 by 4 dx. So this plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 ensures that we did not change the values. So this is equal to 2 into integral of root of x minus 1 by 2 the whole squared. Now you have a 5 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So you take an LCM, this will become 4. So 10 minus 9, 1 is 9. So this is 9 by 4. So this is plus 9 by 4 dx. Then remember the 9 by 4 is a squared. So you can also look at it as 2 into integral of root of x minus half the whole squared plus 3 by 2 the whole squared dx. Now this is of the form root of x squared plus a squared. So substitute in the formula, which is 1 by 2 x into, so let's put it in the formula. So x by 2, remember there is a 2 outside, so x is x minus 1 by 2 by 2 root of x squared plus a squared, so which on original simplification is going to be equal to x squared minus x plus 5 by 2. Now plus a squared by 2, a squared itself is 9 by 4, so 9 by 4 by 2 log of x, which is x minus half, plus root of x square plus a square. So x square minus x plus 5 by 2 plus c. Let's do the simplification and write See, please note, I'm going to keep this as an LCM. So this is 2x minus 1. The 2 will come down also. There is already a 2. So this will become 2x minus 1 by 4. So this is 2x minus 1 by 4. Now this 2 I'm going to multiply with this particular expression where I'm taking it inside the root. So when it is outside the root it will be 2. Once it goes inside it will become 4. So every term here I'm multiplying it by 4. So this will become root of 4x squared minus 4x plus 10. Now here it comes, so plus 9 by 4 by 2 is there, so this will become 9 by 4. Now log of, here I am going to take an LCM, so there is a 2x minus 1 by 2 plus I am going to do here a root of x squared minus 2x, minus x plus 5 by 2 plus c. Now I'm going to take an LCM, which means I have to do a cross multiplication here. So when I do a cross multiplication, the multiplication factor will be 2 outside the root, or if I bring it inside the root, it has to be multiplied by 4. So let's do that too. So this will become 2x minus 1 by 4 root of 4x squared minus 4x plus 10 plus 9 by 4 log of, now I can write this as 2x minus 1 plus root of, everywhere here I'm multiplying by 4, so 4x squared minus 4x plus 10, the whole thing divided by 2 plus c. That is what I will get, but this by 2 is actually a constant, so I can simply account it along with c and not needed to write it here. So that is the reason why we are not writing the 2 here, because that constant can be tagged along with the c. So this will be the final answer. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 10th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.